With so many options, finding the perfect speakers for your setup can often be a daunting task. Well, today I'm reviewing the R1280Ts by Edifier, and the results may surprise you. This is Nico Knows Tech.
Nico Knows Tech, all your tech tips and reviews on deck. Nico Knows Tech, #1 channel with the news on check.
Alright, welcome back. You can find links to all products in this review in the description. Alright, welcome back. Like I said, we are going to be reviewing the Edifier 1280Ts. For full disclosure, these were sent to me by Edifier free of cost. However, I did reach out to them, not the other way around, and they have no requirements for this review. I only give honest reviews. So let's begin. The first thing I would note is the construction of these is fantastic. This has a very high-end design. This is real wood, and the tops are plastic. On the bottom there is a nice foam cushion feet so that it won't scratch up your tables, and it also will give it some good friction, but it's by no means rubber feet. But these things shouldn't be, sitting on a dashboard anyway. In the rear of this is the passive channel. This one over here is powered, and it just has a single cable coming out of it, and then it comes out through 2 speaker cables into here. And so this would be the passive. And overall, it is a 42 watt system, 2.0. However, on the back, there is a sub-channel port where you can hit an auxiliary cable out to go out to a subwoofer. And this front comes off pretty easily. Again, nice quality. And I actually like the way this looks without the cover on it. These nice drivers on here have some good movement on them. Look like they are paper here with some rubber outers. And then we have the tweeters, and then we have the bass port. And I'm going to show you how these sound a little bit.
Are you a gamer that's tired of waiting endlessly for your favorite games to go on sale? Well, wait no more and get your antisocial butt over to 2game.com, where millions of gamers like you get their games super cheap right before getting wrecked by a girl. Get the hottest digital titles now so you can stop being antisocial by yourself, instead being antisocial with friends. Even new friends. Woo! Use the link in the description now and get your game on with a hot gamer girl of your dreams. Ugh.
But first off, these have some good heft to them. A lot of speakers in this category are really light, clunky kind of. They're cheap, kind of what you get on Wish, okay? But these have some good heft to them. These scream quality, and the most important thing all you guys care about is how they smell. You gotta sniff your speakers. Okay, you don't have to sniff your speakers, but if you want to, you can. And there is a nose port here. I'm just kidding, that is a bass port. Now you can tell why these are called bookshelf speakers because they're nicely styled as such. But if you pull out the front panel like so, they look more like studio monitors, and that's what I would classify these. On the side we have our typical treble, bass, and then volume of course. And then our typical RCA cables to 3.5mm, I found it as adequate. Some other people have said it's low quality. I would disagree. In the back of course we have all our ports for our speakers, and of course our power. Checking the speakers was pretty easy. One of them was chromed out that you could tell which one went to positive. And the other one goes to the passive speakers. Plugging in was pretty self-explanatory. There is no optical out, but for this class of speakers, this is more than adequate. The remote was pretty nice. It is a fingerprint magnet, but it does the job done. The only thing I would be very careful about is not losing this. You pull the tab out into the battery compartment, and then we can start using the remote. It has all the basic features: volume up, volume down, power on, power off, and of course you can see the IR sensor right there. And the IR blaster I found to be pretty effective. Now of course the sound of these speakers is what's important, and the sound in a word is impressive. The bass has extremely tight and accurate, and it doesn't have a throbbing, but it is definitely present, and you can adjust it with the knobs on the side. The mids and the highs are exceptionally well, and if you activate the spatialization feature on the remote, you're going to have some enhanced left channel versus right channel spatialization, great instrument separation, and overall it's an impressive experience. I did not expect this when I went into this, but I have actually replaced my M Audio studio monitors with these Edifiers, which normally when I go into a review I already know what to expect, but in the process of this review I did change the position of my speakers because I am now using the Edifiers. Now the Edifier R1280Ts are usually priced at $119 MSRP. On Amazon they're listed at $109.99, but right now they're on sale at the time of this recording for $99.99. If you use the link in the description, you can pick them up there off of Amazon. And congratulations on making it to the end of the video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you'd like to pick up this product, the link is in the description. And you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and I will see you next time.